In today's video, I'm going to teach you get last non-empty cell in row or column. First, go ahead and open Google Sheets and navigate to the sheet where you want to find the last non-empty value. This technique is really useful when you are working with lists that keep growing over time and you want to quickly pull the most recent entry from a column or the last filled value across a row. Instead of scrolling manually or guessing where the data ends, you can let a formula do the work for you. To get the last non-empty cell in a column, enter this formula, fix lookup true, A. 1. Here is what this is doing. The part A checks every cell in column A and tests whether it is not blank. That creates a series of true and false results. Then lookup looks for true, meaning it looks for cells that contain something. The important part is the final argument, -1, which tells Google Sheets to search from the bottom upward. Because of that, it returns the last non-empty value in column A. This is a great option if your column contains text, numbers, dates, or mixed values and you simply want the final filled cell. If you want to get the last non-empty cell in a row instead, enter this formula, fix lookup true. 1, fay. 1. This works the same way, but across row 1 instead of down a column. The expression 1, fay checks each cell in the first row to see whether it contains a value. XLOOKUP searches for true. And again, the -1 search mode makes it scan from right to left so it can return the last filled cell in that row. A helpful tip is to adjust the references based on your own data. If your values are in a different column, replace A with the column you need. If your values are in a different row, replace 1 with the correct row number. Keeping the reference accurate will make sure the result matches the data you are trying to analyze. This method is simple, fast, and especially helpful in dashboards, trackers, and dynamic spreadsheets where data changes regularly. Once you enter the formula, Google Sheets will automatically update the result whenever new data is added. Thanks for